This strategy made me a lot of money, guys, and this is the amount that I made only last month. And trust me, it is very simple if you just invest your time into research, into just repeating these steps, for example, and then just go and enjoy your money, guys. So hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. First of all, you can use clickbank.com. You can as well use Yazing. You can as well use shareasale.com, or you can invest your time into Digistore24. All of these websites are proven. They all work in separate ways, and there's a lot of money to be made. And I really mean a lot of money. The best is that you get paid fast. And for example, let's just take a look at Digistore24. You can see that on Trustpilot, Digistore24 has 4.7 out of 5, and there are some great comments about this website on Trustpilot, guys. Always do research, just see what other people are telling you about it, so you know that it is worthwhile, that it is profitable. Thank you, Digistore24, just perfect. Great service. Digistore24 is awesome. Thank you very much, Digistore24. That's what people think about it, and trust me, guys, there's a lot of money here. And the best of all is that it is all passive income. You just set this up once, and then your affiliate strategy is working for you. It's just that Digistore24 makes your life easier, and it really is like that. So let me just tell you how this actually works. So go and register here on Digistore24. Just make sure that you select this one, vendor or affiliate. You know, you're gonna be that, or you can choose just affiliate because that's what we're gonna do, and just complete this simple information, and then you can enjoy these high commission rates, payment always on time, a lot of money for you, and sweet recurring commissions. So once you log in, this is gonna be your dashboard. So what you have to do, you just have to go to marketplace over here, and then you just have to choose the product for yourself. You can see here that on the left side there are a lot of these categories, a lot of subcategories, so you can involve yourself into home and garden products, games and fun, food and drinks, fitness and health, fashion, family and kids, a lot of money in a lot of categories. So maybe you are passionate, I don't know, about pets and animals. That's a good thing to have in your life. Animals and pets, that's the most beautiful thing. But of course, you can just involve yourself into social media, into some green products, whatever you want, guys. You can just, for example, let me take this one. This is a very popular niche, fitness and health. There's a lot of money into this because it's a great industry. There is really a lot of traffic, and that just means a lot of money. Let me just show you what I mean. If you go on Google and type in Google Trends, you can just simply click on this one first, and this is gonna explore your keyword, okay? So whatever you type in here, you will see the popularity of that certain keyword. So you can just type in, for example, how to lose weight. Maybe that's the best one, and this is really popular keyword, guys. You can see that this scale is going from 0 to 100, and you can see that it is constantly more than 70, and that's great, guys. That's really great, and you can see that this is only in the United States. If you go worldwide, you can see that the graph is even better, okay? So people from all over the world are trying to lose weight. They're going, and you can see these related queries. There is fitness tips, how to lose weight, how to lose water weight. There is a lot of traffic here, and you can use that to your own advantage to make a lot of money with it. So now that we are sure that this is a good niche, we can go and we can find a product in this niche. Of course, you can go and research about all of these guys, and you can find similar one with a lot of traffic as well, and you can make money on that as well. But for the sake of this video, let's stick to fitness and health, and let's choose a product for ourselves. So for example, I don't know, this ultimate keto meal plan, you can see here that from each sale you will get around $30, guys, and that's great. Just imagine, just you sell one during one day. You only need one, and if you sell one each day in a month, 30 days in a month, $900. $900, guys, just like that. That's some cool money. So what you have to do now, guys, is you have to just click on this, and then you just copied that promo link. So whenever someone clicks on that, you get a lot of money for it. You get $30 on each one of those sales, and you don't have to do nothing. These guys have everything, guys. They have this fully laid out strategy, and you will just leave the people on this page that they have made, okay? People will land on a page like this one, and they will watch this video about losing weight, you know, It's gonna be all laid up for them, and then they will decide to buy it, and then you get your 30 bucks, okay? Pretty easy strategy, a lot of money for you, so let's go. Now, what we have to do is we have to find the traffic, we have to find the people who are willing to buy it. For example, we can see that South Africa is a really good country for this niche. Now, we can simply go on Google and we can type in weight loss forums, for example, and you can just click that, and that will open, for example, you can see these top 30 weight loss forums. You can choose that, and that's gonna open all of these forums worldwide. Weight loss forum, weight loss center forum, 3 fat chicks, net moms forum, losing weight. There are a lot of these, but I want to show you one trick because we were able to see that South Africa is a really good country for it. Ireland as well. I don't know about this one, but what you can do is you can type in advanced search, okay? So you can just type in advanced search in Google and just click on the first one, and then just go here on region, okay? Region is important, and then just find South Africa, guys. You have all of these countries, and what's this gonna do is that it's gonna select only forums in South Africa. So now you just type in weight loss forums here, and then click on this beautiful advanced search button, and then you have only these forums which are related to South Africa. Now what you have to do is you just have to go into all of these and just engage with the people on it, okay? The people here are for one reason only, guys. They want to go and they want to get the muscle. They want to lose the weight, so you just go and engage. Of course, you engage with your affiliate link in here. You tell people that you have found perfect strategy for them to lose weight quickly. You can see how to lose weight quickly. People are asking for it, and you can just put the answer. And the more of these you engage, the more chances you've got that someone is gonna click and convert that click into sale. So you can, in the end, get 30 bucks per each person that signs up there, that buys this product, this ultimate keto meal plan, and that's all that it takes. Now, what I also suggest that you do is that you go on google.com and make your answers really professional. So, because you're gonna go into all of these forums, those people need some professional advice when they ask for help. So what you can do is you can search for those weight loss articles, and for example, you just go into this one, for example, 10 tips to lose weight, and you don't have to choose this whole article, okay? You can just, for example, choose these titles. You can just copy them, copy these titles, maybe a bit of this text, and maybe go to spinbot.com and you can just rewrite that text so you can go around that copyright issue. You know, this is just gonna rewrite your text, and then this article is gonna help you, because when people are reading a professionally written article, they tend to trust you more, okay? And then in the end of that article, you will just paste your affiliate link. In the end of your article, this goes, and you write something in the lines of, try this if you want to lose weight fast, applying all the necessary rules from above. And that text from above is going to be this one, which you will spin on this Spinbot, of course. And that's all that you have to do. I wish you luck. You just have to be patient, and you will get that money, guys. Catch ya.